This is 100,000 Orbeez. That's a microwave. You know what happens next. Before the Orbeez, me and my friend wanted to microwave other stuff too. Here are the other stuff. Enjoy.
Yeah, pretty much.
Damn. 5 minutes?
Yeah. I think that's a little bit too much time either way. Anything?
None. I mean, it smells. Oh, the paint came off of one.
Serious?
Oh wait, I think it's cooking from the inside. Oh yeah, they're like smushed. See?
Oh.
I'm surprised at the packaging. Oh, a couple of them exploded.
Okay. All right.
Let's keep going.
They smell like they're burned. Oh gosh. Should we continue?
Yeah.
Should we?
Is it looking? They kind of smell good, I ain't gonna lie.
Nice.
Oh, it's kind of hot actually, even with my gloves.
Seriously?
Yeah. Hot.
You said
how
no
much
5
time?
minutes. I guess these. Let's do 3. Okay.
Okay, there. I'm standing away from this.
Anything happen?
Huh?
Well, paint came out.
Yeah, pink shot out.
Turn the plate.
So you take the top off of the lid?
Yeah, take it off.
It's still cold.
Serious?
Oh wait, what the hell?
What happened?
It's like a liquid.
Oh, like hot glue. Okay.
Okay. The Orbeez we could do like 3, 2, 1. I can smell it, the glue. What the hell?
What? Oh gosh.
The glue became like a putty.
Serious?
Yeah, you see? You see it?
Yeah.
Should I do it again or
Nah, just
cap it?
Just cap it.
Yo, look at this. It was about to pop out. Look at this. It was about to pop out the back.
Oh man.
Oh.
All right, clean off the plate. Move on to the next one.
Now we're gonna do some chips. Should I eat one?
Yeah, why not?
Nah, you know. There's paint in there.
Okay.
5 minutes? Too much?
I think 5 minutes.
What?
It's still good. Oh, that's the paint.
Oh.
The paint turned all green. So keep going. Yo, the bag's about to explode, yo. Should we do it?
Wait, why is the bag about to explode though?
Because it's heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can smell it play. Yo.
This is bad, yo.
Fire in there. You see it?
I don't see it on fire, but I see it on the camera. Back it up though a little bit. Like there. That's crazy.
Yo. You want to eat one?
I dare you.
Nah, they like paint and glue on it.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
I don't know how to do this. Oh, close it.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Hold on. Let's see what's closing. Alright, close it. Yep. How many minutes?
I guess 5. I don't think this will catch on fire though.
And this is the one that does catch on fire.
Alright, open it up.
Nothing happened.
Absolutely nothing. It didn't even melt?
No.
Didn't even shrink?
If anything, they gained size.
Huh. Okay.
What the hell do I do now?
Guess throw it in the trash.
Oh wait, they're not sticky. They're not sticky.
Oh, they're not?
No. What? What the hell? What? Should I take the plate out?
Yeah.
Orbeez soup?
I guess so.
They're not sticky though. Is it? I don't know why. They expanded.
I guess because of the humidity.
What the hell happened here? Alright, my camera died, so we have to use my phone. So what my friend Alex is gonna do?
Got Monster, got Sprite.
Shake it up.
Shake it up a little bit. And for the purpose of science, no open can. Open can.
Yo, that's not. Alright, we'll put 5 minutes.
Oh no! Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. Oh man! Oh, that might be it. I think it just got wet.
What, the microwave?
Yeah.
Looks like the microwave is broken. So enjoy with Sprite cranberry.
I dare you.
Yay, time! Light bulb and an expo marker. We don't know if it's broken or not.
True.
It could be. It could not be.
True.
It's probably not the smartest idea, but it's worth it.
And don't try this at home.
I mean, unless you want it.
Oh, the light bulb!
It's on?
I see the light bulb. It's actually on. Look.
I wanted to see it.
Oh man. Okay, go on. Look right here. Wait for it. You can see it flickering a little bit in there. Camera can't pick it up, but I think nothing else is gonna happen, Marco. Oh gosh.
Oh, the marker. It's like weak. Is it still right though? It's still right.
It's still right, somehow.
Wow, go get your expo pen today.
Now we got the camera. I mean the light bulb.
It's smoking.
It is smoking, so that it actually might have been an electrical fire, low key.
I broke it. But a little piece cracked when I hit the glass.
Oh man.
What else? It doesn't work. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know if it was gonna turn on or not.
Oh gosh. It's a little dangerous.
It's alright.
Oh, let me get the fire extinguisher first. You hold the phone then. Batteries.
Isn't that what they put in Teslas? Oh, play, shut it off, Yeah, shut it off. It's smoking. Hurry. Open it. Here. Yo.
Is it actually smoking bad?
Yeah.
Yo, what? I'm telling you, you can't heat up.
So the one that produced the most smoke is that. It doesn't look like anything happened, but you could tell from the inside of it. Yeah, might as well. Oh wait, unplug it. Isn't that moist?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Okay, this one has stunk the most. If you liked it, the microwave didn't survive, but we did. And we figured out that PlayStation controller, that produces the most smoke.
It stinks.
So, please like and subscribe for more stupid videos. Bye.